Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the Geometry Dash app not working or opening on the iPhone. So first is to swipe up the screen from bottom to center until you see the recently opened apps. Then completely close the Geometry Dash apps, then reopen it. If it doesn't work, you need to restart your iPhone. Then after restarting it, open the app to see if the issue is fixed. And if it doesn't work, make sure that you are using the current version of the app. So go to App Store, then tap your profile icon. On this page, check if the app has an update. Make sure to update the latest version. Once done, check again if it fixed the issue. And if it doesn't work, you need to uninstall the app and reinstall. Check if the issue is fixed, and if it doesn't work, go to your device settings, then tap General. Scroll down until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Then reset all settings. After that, enter your passcode, then tap Reset all settings. Hopefully this will fix the issue. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.